When there's an emergency, sometimes a medical helicopter is needed to get the patient care more quickly. There's a lot of things happening to make that call. As WOWT 6 News' Jordan Shefty shows us, assistance across the country is all coordinated right here in our own backyard.
That sound means someone, somewhere needs help.
Florida LifeFlight, this is Charnel.
Charnel is answering a call from Florida while sitting here in Omaha. She's a communication specialist for Air Methods Communications.
This is the first job where I feel like I have a direct help in saving lives and making an impact and giving more tomorrows.
Responsible for setting up medical helicopters, Aircom takes calls from hospitals and 911 centers, determines the closest aircraft, and alerts them of the flight.
Dropping off at NMS in Hagersville, Maryland. And it is emergency. Thank you.
While the building they work out of is located right near Epley, they're able to provide help to most states in the country.
I think a lot of people think we just handle the Omaha metro area, eastern Nebraska, but we do it from Key West, Florida, all the way up to Fairbanks, Alaska, and beyond.
They are the largest communication center in the nation, responsible for over 200 aircraft.
We're 911 for 911. When they need help, they call us first.
And what's the facility in Maryland?
A big task, but one handled right here in the heartland.
I'm just proud to be a part of helping save another life each day.
Reporting for WOWT 6 News with producer Roger Hamer, I'm Jordan Shefty.
If the fast-paced environment seems interesting to you, Air Method Communications is hiring. We have more information available on our website at WOWT.com.